What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're making breakfast in a very unconventional way. An entire bacon, egg, and cheese breakfast sandwich, all in the waffle iron. Check this thing out. Huh? Bet you didn't know you could do that. Well, I'm gonna show you how. Let's get cooking. All right, we're going to start out by getting our bacon ready by basically weaving it together. Yeah, you heard me. We're going to weave together our bacon similar to braiding, and we're going to make it into some kind of like a patty. So you're going to start out with 3 strips of bacon vertically, fold one down. I like to start in the middle, and then with a horizontal piece of bacon, you're going to lay that there. And then fold the middle one up. And then we're just going to alternate. So now we're doing the other 2. And we're going to add another horizontal piece of bacon. And now we're going to fold those tabs back down. And then we're going to alternate again like that. And now we basically have the premise of our bacon patty. And with these little tabs here, fold it back up because we're looking for this to be the size of a waffle. So, there you go. And you just kind of alternate. Some tabs get folded up, some get folded down. And at the end of the day, this is all going to be a nice even layer of bacon on our sandwich. So make sure you stick around to see what that looks like. Now, I actually lost this footage, and this is me recreating it after the fact, so you're just going to have to pretend here that I'm putting it into the waffle iron. See? Like that. Now, let's go ahead and get our eggs ready. We're going to scramble them. We are not likely going to need 2. However, you don't want to run out if one's not enough. So, a little salt and pepper goes a long way. Just scramble it up nice and evenly, like so. And now we're back to our footage that I didn't lose. So, see? Bacon, cooking, great. And after a couple of minutes, I like to flip mine just to get it to cook a little evenly. And this is also a nice opportunity to clean out some of the grease. Since this is not a recommended from the manufacturer way of utilizing this tool, you can see there's some grease at the bottom. And we're just going to clean that up with a paper towel and the tongs and just kind of use it like a sponge. Make sure you don't do this with your hands. Bad idea. And get that kind of cleaned up, soaked up, ready to go. I'm going to give it one more application here after a couple of minutes of the paper towel method. That's the official title, by the way. And we can start cooking our eggs. So give it a nice little mix again, in case any of the salt and pepper settle to the bottom. And just real carefully here, you don't want to add too much because this is going to expand, but you do want all those little divots kind of covered up. So like I said, you're not going to quite need 2, but you really don't want to run out. So there you have it. Go ahead and close the lid. Now I'm actually going to shut it and lock it. I hadn't locked it before because the bacon was shrinking. And every couple of minutes, go ahead and check it. My eggs were actually leaking out because they expand. They're fluffy. That's, I think, the scientific term. So I'm just trying to clean up a mess as I go. And I will tell you, eggs, clean them up ASAP than not ASAP, because if they dry out, they're harder to clean up. So we're just kind of wiping up here and, making things easier on future Daniel. So there you go. Anyway, you can see they're getting nice and golden brown, and just every couple of minutes, check on it. You're looking for some kind of firm eggs, not quite floppy like that. See, I'm going for a little more than that. So we're gonna give it another couple of minutes. The bacon's looking done. We're almost there. And just keep an eye on it. If you want, go your preference. If you want softer or firmer, do your thing. But whenever you're ready, you're going to get some butter and place them in the 2 back ones. And with another clean paper towel, we're gonna do the same trick, but we're gonna use this to apply butter to the top side, because toast needs some butter. And now we're turning the waffle iron into a toaster. So use your favorite bread, and in the back two slots, go ahead and place in your toast. Well, your bread. We're toasting it. It's about to become toast, is what I'm trying to say. And see, this is fun. Like, everybody should do this. Look at that. We got bacon, eggs, toast, all in one device that you didn't know you were able to do this with. Or maybe you did. You guys are smart. When your toast is nice and toasty, it's time to start building. So grab a piece of toast, and if you need to know the order of how to build the sandwich, it's in the name: bacon, egg, and then cheese. So our bacon patty, and then our egg waffle. We're gonna use cheddar cheese today, because that sounded right to me. Little chef's treat right there. And then the top toast, and you're ready for breakfast. Well, what did you think of that? Pretty easy, one device, relatively easy cleanup. Kept all the grease managed in a nice way. Let's go ahead and cut this. Should we go halves or triangles? Let's do triangles today. Let's cut this breakfast sandwich up. I missed a bit there. Look at this. Plenty of bacon. Nice layer of egg. We got our nice melty, can you guys see that? Nice melty cheddar cheese. A unique toast and a unique texture and neat little waffle pattern. Cheers, guys. Good morning. That's good. I love it. I don't know, guys. There's just something fun about using a device in an unconventional way. What are some of your alternative uses for devices to be used, not how they're supposed to be used? Try this weekend. It's fun for the whole family. It's fun for yourself. Easy, quick cleanup. Thank you so much for hanging out with me this week. Until next time, be well.